When it's cold outside, you might crave apple pie or a hot chocolate. But how about a plat of steaming snake? You may squirm at the idea. But it's been the popular dish of choice for many in Cambodia for centuries. Popularized in the province of Takeo, shredded snake soup is favored in the colder months for more than just its taste. People tuck into the delicacy because they believe it has healing powers. Why snake meat? Snake has long been used in traditional Cambodia medicine. It was first mentioned in a Cambodia agriculture and medicinal plant book in 100 AD. In Khmer medicine, snake is considered to be a warming ingredient, heating your body from the inside. Foods are believed to either have a warming, yang, or cooling, yin, effect on the body. This has nothing to do with the actual temperature of the food, but the way your body responds. For example, wine is seen as warming for the body, even though the temperature of the liquid is cool. So, in the case of snake soup, the warming yang snake helps to counteract the effects of the winter cold yin in the body. People also eat snake soup because they believe it eases the symptoms of arthritis, improves blood circulation and ups the male sex drive. Eating the reptile's raw gallbladder is also said to improve sex drive, along with curing chesty coughs. What does snake soup taste like? The meat found in shredded snake soup looks a lot like chicken, and it tastes a bit like it too, only a little tougher. Though this might also have something to do with what goes into the soup. Recipes vary, and many chefs keep their ingredients close to their chest. In most cases the soup, which is simmered for hours, includes two types of snake meat, galangal, mushrooms, ginger, chrysanthemum leaves and other Khmer help herbs that help make the broth slightly sweet and mildly spicy. Popular snake species include the water snake or python, but the venomous Cambodia cobra and banded krite are also sometimes used to give the dish an added depth of flavor. Another type of meat is often paired with the snake. In many cases this meat is chicken, which explains why so many people say snake soup tastes like chicken. While many foreigners are often pleasantly surprised by the subtle sweetness of the soup, its gloopy consistency can seem a little unusual to a newbie's palate. Thank you for your value time watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest video. Thank you.